and I thought to plant a tree on this occasion. Happy birthday, Adya! What a beautiful thought! I appreciate you. Thank you, Shreya, but please help me out. Why not, Adya? To plant this sapling, first we need to dig the soil, as we need depth. You were using area, that is why you will not be able to plant this. Shreya, but I can see that this tree is on the surface of the ground. No, Adya, let me clear you. This seems that it is on the ground, but the roots of this plant are in the soil. Let me explain you with an example. If I need to put this grass bed over here, I need to take out its area. And if I need to plant this sapling in this plant, I need its volume. I got it and can give you some examples. To paint this wall, we need to take its area. And to do the flooring with these tiles, we also need to calculate its area by taking the length and breadth. If we paint this pot, we need its area, and if we plant this sapling in this pot, we need to take its volume. Well done, Adya. So, the space occupied by a 2D object is known as area. For example, this leaf, this boundary is its area. And the amount of space occupied by a 3D object is known as its volume. We hope you like our small role play. Thank you.